Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what you already have so replacement fits. First, remove the screws on the interior trim plate and pull the knob or thumb turn straight off. This exposes the mounting screws. Once done, undo the deadbolt mounting screws and slide the cylinder and bolt assembly out. Make sure to keep screws organized and note the backset and door thickness. These determine the new lock's compatibility. Doing this first avoids surprises when installing the new hardware. You'll now fit the new components carefully because alignment prevents binding. Start by inserting the new latch into the edge of the door and secure it with screws. The beveled side must face the door jamb. Next, feed the exterior cylinder through the face and line up the interior assembly. Hand tighten the mounting screws to hold position. Once the cylinder and thumb turn operate smoothly, tighten screws evenly. Make sure the bolt extends fully and retracts without scraping. This confirms correct alignment. Finish by ensuring the bolt mates with the strike plate reliably because a misaligned strike is the most common problem. You test the lock several times. If the bolt hits the lip, mark and deepen the mortise or reposition the strike plate. Use long screws into the framing for security. Once aligned, cycle the lock 5-10 times and apply graphite lubricant to the cylinder for smooth action. If it still binds, recheck backset and screw tightness. Loose hardware often causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.